President Emerson Mnangagwa, posthumously declared the 4 national heroes and presented flags to their families. Salabena Mashoko, Atuna Mnangagwa, Achpain owner, the 4 heroes. Lord was subscribe or like on the bell, like Timina Mnamubla Commissions. The 4 include nationalist Jairus Chiri, Brigadier General retired Lamek Francisco Mutanda, John Bezi, and Elos David Malando. Honors and awards were also presented to individuals who have represented the country with distinction in various fields. Heroes Day remains one of Zimbabwe's most significant commemorations, a moment to remember and honor those who fought for the independence the nation enjoys today. Upon arrival, President Mnangagwa inspected a guard of honor mounted by the Presidential Guard. He was joined by his 2 deputies, VP Konsano Chiwenga and Colonel Kempo Mohati, in laying wreaths at the tomb of the unknown soldier. This year, the families of the 4 newly declared national heroes were each presented with a national flag. Professor Vladimir Shubin, former secretary of the Soviet Afro-Asian Solidarity Committee and head of the Africa section of the Communist Party of the Soviet Union's International Department, received the Zimbabwe International Friendship Award. Inasem Chitutu, a teenager who bravely rescued 2 children from a burning house in Bindura, was awarded the Silver Cross of Zimbabwe. With women continuing to play a key role in the healthcare sector, and Dr. Madeline Manyamanza, the first female African medical doctor in Zimbabwe, received the Robert Gabriel Mugabe Commendation Award for service in human capital development. These living heroes are among more than 2,000 veterans of the liberation struggle from across the country who were honored on Monday. As the nation celebrates both the living and the departed heroes, the responsibility to build a thriving Zimbabwe rests with every citizen as the country works towards becoming an upper middle income society by 2030. Mashoko ari kupangwa ino tudze mafunguro enyu moti kudipa musoro pechitiko ichi President Emerson Mnangagwa honoring 4 heroes. Pinango section medu dzemafunguro enyu, subscribe or like, hit on the bell icon.